Hi friends, today is Monday, April 12th, and today is your first day of continued distance learning. So our days are going to look a little bit different than they have before. So instead of meeting with me on Zoom right in the morning like we usually do, we're going to meet a little bit later. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to start with your packet work. So just like normal, you have a seesaw, a video, an assignment for each page in your packet. So this week we are working on week 30, April 12th to 16th. So you want to make sure this is the packet you have, and you have 6 pages in here to do today. And you hopefully want to do them before you meet with me in the afternoon today. You definitely are going to take a picture of each one and turn them into me. Once you are done with your packet work, you're going to do 20 minutes of Lexia. So make sure we're doing Lexia every single day. And I actually have to check on that every day, so make sure. And when you're done, also do 20 minutes of reading. And you can use a website or you can use your own books at home. So whatever you want to do. Now don't forget, after lunch, you're going to go ahead and meet with me on Zoom at 12:45 today. So instead of that 8 a.m. time, we're meeting at 12:45 after lunch. So I can't wait to see you then. Make sure you do all the work you can, and if there's anything you need help with, we can stick around after our Zoom and help you then. So have a great day, and if you want to, leave a video for me and tell me what did you do during spring break.